if something's broken, I'm going to try and do it myself, right? And I only call for help or have somebody come do it if I'm having trouble do it or I can't do it. Phones are nothing different. I used to repair phones as a job. I was in sales as well, but I used to work at a Sprint repair facility. Remember, they used to repair devices. Well, there's no more Sprint stores, but I love taking stuff apart, putting it back together. If you're one of those people, good news for you, because iFixit has released a new repair kit for the Google Pixel 8a. So as you can see here in the photo, you get, and this is just an example, they have a screen repair, but they also have some other repair kits I was looking at. But this one's specifically a screen repair. So you get everything you need to repair this device on your own. So you can save money. It's roughly half the cost, if not more, of having somebody else do it. It's not all that difficult, right? So iFixit, I've been a member of theirs for a long time, years, and I've actually ordered products from them. Very good company. They have a very good guide. So if this is your first time repairing a phone and you do want to give it an attempt, they make it very easy for anybody to sit down. And there's also there's YouTube videos that you can follow along, but iFixit does a very good job of showing you exactly what you need to do from the very first step to putting the phone back together and turning it back on. They can certainly help you with that. Now, as I mentioned in costs, I think to repair, let's do a quick, this might not even be available. How much does this cost? So iFixit has the whole kit for essentially $109. Now, I'm trying to find the cost of going somewhere and getting it fixed. Let's just put in, I think it's one of the larger brands has a deal with Google. Ubreak iFix, here we go. So let's go to Ubreak iFix. Let's see how much it is and how much you can save if you choose to repair your own device, right? They're the authorized repair center on Pixel phones. Let's see. They don't even have select your Pixel repair, tech support, microphone, volume, back camera, can't hear audio. So where's the screen? Broken screen, there we go. Let's see how much it would cost. They're not telling me how much it's going to cost, are they? Hang on, I'm going to go back to here and fill out my name. See. I'm going to try to get through here and see how much it's going to cost. I'm going to see how much you will save doing it yourself. Actually, you know what? Let me call them. I can find out that way. Ubreak iFix. You ready? Sir, I was calling to find out. I have a broken screen or a cracked screen on a Pixel phone, and it says on their website y'all are the authorized repair centers for Pixel devices.
Can definitely do them.
Can I get a quote though and see how much it's going to be? It's
the 8A.
Yes, sir. All right. $219 before taxes. So after, we're looking at probably $230, $235. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, well, I might stop by a little, or I guess you're about to close. I'll probably come by tomorrow.
That's perfectly fine. We'll be here.
Thank you, sir. Do you have the part in stock?
What's it for the 8A, correct? I do.
Perfect. All right, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Bye. So there you have it. So how much is, let's see, with taxes, that'll roughly be $219 times, here in taxes, it's times 1.0825%. You're looking at $237.06 or 7 cents, $237.07. So if you get this done, how much is it? I had it right here, $109. So you can pay $109 to repair your screen on the Pixel 8a yourself, or you can take it to iFixit, or what is it? Ubreak iFix for $237. So you're essentially saving $129, $128, something like that. So that's how much they would charge for labor, because they're paying for this part as well. And then they're obviously having a repair person do that for you, right? Now, here's the issue. I asked at the very end if they had it in stock, because many of you might not know, my S23 Ultra, not my current S24 Ultra, my S23 Ultra screen broke. And I was going to get it repaired under warranty, but the problem I was having is that nobody had that part in stock. So that's why I asked at the very end, well, hold up, do you have this part in stock? Because a lot of the times you'll go there, we don't have it in stock. You can leave your phone with us and we'll have it part here the next day and you can pick it up the day after. But anyways, they had it in stock and then you have it. So if you want to do it yourself, you want to save $130 or so, it's not that hard, honestly. I might make some videos in regards to that. But anyways, I just thought I would put that out there. And they also have a lot of other parts as well, not just for Pixel. And now these are official parts. You're not getting a third-party part. You're not getting a part that's made in China. That's some rip-off part. No, it's the actual physical display. iFixit is getting these displays from the same manufacturer that Google is getting them from when they put these phones together. So you're getting an official part. This is not a third-party janky part, right? So that's the official thing.